Dr. Daines, can you walk me through the process of a new patient? I'm just, coming in to get my ears tested. What's the procedure?
Okay, the first thing we do is find out a little bit about you. We want to find out your medications that you've taken, exposure to noise, illnesses that you've had, anything that can be associated with hearing loss. We find those out. We also want to find out a little bit about your likes and your dislikes, and what you actually need us to do for you.
Okay. So after that, are we going to go straight to the hearing test? Are we going to then, what happens, for example, if my ears just need shringing?
Okay. The first thing after we find out about you, we look in your ears. Okay. Make sure that your hearing loss isn't just caused by wax. I have had patients that have just needed wax removed, and we're glad to remove any wax. I do it all day long.
Okay. And is that one of your free things that you do for people? That's just excellent.
Yep, I'm glad to do that for people. After that, we do what we call a tympanogram. We measure the movement of the eardrum and the 3 tiny little bones behind the ear. Make sure all the physical parts of the ear are working correctly. After that, we'll go into the sound booth and put some earphones on or headphones on and test your hearing. The first thing we test is tones. We present tones to you at different frequencies and find out the very softest level that you can hear sound at. Then we'll do some testing in noise. We'll test words, have you repeat words back in quiet and in noise. Most people, when they have a hearing loss, have a hard time hearing and understanding speech in noisy environments. So we measure that to see how well you're doing and what we need to do to correct that. We also do some loudness testing to make sure that the hearing aids don't ever become too loud for people. And everybody's a little bit different there. We want to find out exactly what your hearing is like, and we don't do estimation here. A lot of places will estimate different things in the hearing test. I don't do that. I don't believe in estimating and using the average. I want to find out exactly what's going on, and so we can adjust the hearing aids from the start to match what we're finding on the testing.
And what's the final step then? I get to choose one of these delightful little things?
You get to choose one of these hearing aids, and a lot of it's based on the hearing loss, but a lot of it's based on your own personal choice as well. And then you take the hearing aid home and try it out. We set it up to your hearing loss and take it home, and you have 30 days to try it out, and it doesn't cost anything to give it a try. We let you take it home. You don't pay any money down. You take it home and see if it's going to work for you in your own life.
So I think it's really clear at the moment that it's so important not just to go to somebody who's a fly-by-night setting up in a little store somewhere. It's so important to come to someone like you, years and years of training, qualifications, huge customer service here. Tell us where you are, Dr. Daines.
We're at 485 North Main Street in Logan. You can't miss us. We have a beautiful flower garden out front and a flag. It's a little brown building that we've remodeled, an older house, right across the street from Zions Bank on the west side of the road.
Just a gorgeous place to come. The office is very bright, very cheery, lovely staff. Dr. Daines, just a great doctor, here to help you, and a man of great experience and knowledge, and that's so important with hearing, isn't it?
It is, very much so.
Okay. So come on down and get your ears tested. Thanks, Dr. Daines.
Thank you.